The Beam Wallet offers one of the most flexible digital wallet experiences for managing payments, earning cashback, and accessing exclusive discounts. To maximize savings, the first step is understanding how the platform structures its rewards. Every transaction made through Beam Wallet accumulates points that can be redeemed for discounts on future payments. These points stack with merchant-specific promotions, meaning you can combine them for larger savings. Timing transactions strategically is essential. Many merchants and service providers linked to Beam Wallet run weekly or monthly discount windows. By aligning purchases with these periods, users can secure up to 15 to 20% off regular prices. For subscription-based services or recurring bills, setting payments during promotional periods maximizes both point accumulation and discount eligibility. Utilizing referral programs adds another layer of efficiency. Beam Wallet incentivizes new user onboarding, and referring friends or family converts into additional credits. Each referral directly contributes to the balance available for discounts, effectively increasing your buying power without additional expenditure. Another critical tactic is prioritizing transactions that offer multiplier points. Certain categories such as groceries, fuel, or online shopping sometimes offer double or triple reward points. Focusing spending on these categories ensures faster accumulation of redeemable points, which can then offset larger purchases. Lastly, integrating Beam Wallet with other compatible payment systems or merchant apps enhances the discount effect. Some retailers provide additional discounts when paying through linked platforms while still counting toward Beam Wallet rewards. By combining timing, referrals, strategic spending categories, and platform integrations, the total value extracted from Beam Wallet significantly exceeds standard usage, sometimes reaching hundreds of dollars in annual savings. Executing these strategies consistently transforms Beam Wallet from a basic digital payment tool into a high-efficiency savings engine, offering tangible, repeatable financial benefits for everyday spending.